warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahma Ratunisa. You can call me Rahma. With student ID number 23110710022. Well, today I will discuss a review the English material regarding how to introduce yourself. Okay, now we will discuss about how to introduce or tell about yourself with include uh, one thing to talk in talking about yourself. Introduce yourself. Three, introduce other people. Okay, let's go straight to the first discussion thing to talk in talking about self. Before that, maybe you can say greeting like hey everyone, hello everyone, good morning. Well, like to introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. Next, we will discuss talking about yourself. There are several things that we can share and tell others, such as the following. 1. Name. To introduce yourself, you must mention your name. Second, how age. How old are you now? That can be told. Third, address. There are two ways to tell the address. The first is about the place of origin or where we come from. Two, the second is about where we live now. Fourth, occupation. Five, favorite hobby that can also be shared. Six, family. You can tell other people about your family as long as it is within a reasonable limit. After the first discussion is finished, we will move on be the second discussion, namely introduce yourself. So here I will tell you uh, how to introduce yourself uh, to many people. Here I have made an expression that can be used to introduce themselves. Name is in expression used to introduce your name. If you want an introduce as name, use this expression. My name is blah blah blah. Who is that, right? Example, my name is Rahmada Tunisa, or I am Rahmada Tunisa, the full name. What about your name? Then use the expression you can call me. For example, you can call me Rahma. Next, about egg. Um about egg, I'm blah 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 years old. For example, I am 19 years old. Next, there are two expressions that can be said to confusing bit in and on. The expression are I was born in, I was born on. They are very similar, but there is a difference between is and on. It should be remembered that in can be filled in for the place where you were born, will on must be filled in with the date. For example, I was born in Bukit Tinggi. I was born in March 21, 2005. Next, introducing an address using the expression, but there are two ways to address the residence. The first is the address of the original residence and the current residence, where that discussion one by one. Yes, if introduce the original address using the expression I'm original from blah blah blah. The word that need to be underlined is the word original. The meaning is the original. For example, I'm original from Bukit Tinggi, while now I live in Bukit Padang because I'm studying in Padang. Well, you can use the expression I now live in Padang. I'm original from Bukit Tinggi, but I now live in Padang. Then expression about our work, just say I'm a student, um, or what is the job, what is the student teacher attention, if is equipped with where to study. Example, um, I am a student at the Padang State Polytechnic. Okay, then discussing about hobby is very easy. Just say my hobby is blah blah blah. If the hobby is studying, just say my hobby is studying. Then to talk about family, uh, we can use the expression I have two brother or sister. But is it polite to just introduce yourself directly, like my name is? That will be impolite, of course, if you ask for permission first. There for there are several expressions or phrases that can be used to ask for permission before introduce yourself. Namely, expression one, hello, let me introduce myself. Hi, I would like to introduce myself, or allow me introduce myself. Their expressions have to some meaning. So if we ask permission first, I will look for more polite than just introduce yourself. So that you don't get confused here, I want to give an example. Uh, my name is Rahma Ratunisa. You can call me Rahma. I am 19 years old. I was born in Bukit Tinggi. I was born on 21 March 2005. I'm originally from Bukit Tinggi. I now I live in Padang. I'm a student. My hobbies is listening to music. I have one brother. So that you don't get confused here. It's very easy to introduce yourself. You can definitely do it. Okay, we will go into the last discussion, namely how to introduce other people. Actually, there is only a slight difference between introduce yourself and introducing other people. The difference is only in the subject. In introducing yourself, we use the subject and I and my. Will introduce other people. We introduce other people, so the subject is he or she. Rather, the objective possession become his or her. So just like before, you can express the expression. And of course, into other people, we can use a expression to ask permission before introduce other people. Let me introduce you to. I would like to introduce my friend to you. Three. I would like you to meet. Okay. Um, After that, there is an expression that is conveyed if you close your introduction with a goodbye, bye, and see you later. Very interesting is not it. Maybe that the explanation about introducing yourself. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again.